Vietnam is varied so much, even just from what I've seen of it in the past 3 weeks. Driving from city to city, you can see that some towns are small, sleepy towns, and some, like Long Xuem, are quite a bit more industrialised and less used to tourists. And then driving through Ho Chi Minh, it was so built up, there were skyscrapers everywhere. So there's no one image of Vietnam that you can really take away from this trip, and I think that's the whole point.
I guess the Vietnam Field School is a 3-week intensive course, and we learn about complex environmental and developmental issues within the context of Vietnam.
If you're trying to understand your own country, there's only so much you can do from inside. And when you travel overseas and start to look at other countries, not only do you learn about this other country, but you can't help but look back and you get insights into your own culture.
I think the course really pushes students out of their comfort zone. It's really challenging to do research in the field, collecting data, interviewing people.
They introduced us to ethnography, which at first I was sceptical about, but now I realise is a really, really important methodology for investigating developing countries like this, because we get to hear people's personal anecdotes about development.
The students study a variety of really big global problems that we're seeing in the environment today, such as climate change, how we deal with waste and food security.
It makes me feel really different about learning about development, learning about the environment, and going back to Australia, going back to uni, I'm so much more excited now for courses that are going to teach me more about it.
We went and explored each city that we were in. We went swimming in dams, and we went on adventures with our homestay students from AGU. We were able to explore cities from their point of view too.
I just don't know what could be any better than coming to a country and learning firsthand and hanging out with awesome people for 3 weeks and having so much fun while you're doing it, and it all counting towards your degree.